knowledge and insights from today's class. Yeah, so let me know where you're watching from. Where are you watching me from? Okay, let me know where you're watching me from right now. Let me know where you are watching me from. Okay, let me know where you are watching me from. Today we'll be taking some live trades. All right. Yeah, where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from, guys? Okay, I can see Balarabe from Kano. Okay, I can see someone from Lagos. Let's keep contributing. Harrison from Warri. Folusho from Ikorodu. Okay. Yeah, keep it coming, guys. Okay, watching from Asaba, watching from Port Harcourt. Okay, great. Awesome. So today we'll be taking some live trading sessions, and then we'll be looking out for opportunities in the market, today. Right? Good. So right now, I'll be starting with the USD Chf. Analyzing the USD Chf market. So importantly, we start our analysis with a top-down approach, where we want to see where price is coming from the higher time frame, and where price is going to. Oh, looks like we have, Woodman from Ghana. All right, you're welcome to this session. Just do well to pay attention as we proceed. Yes, so as our custom is, top-down approach. Let's go to the highest time frame, which is the monthly time frame. All right, now, because the highest time frame would give us an overview of what price is actually doing. Okay, that is it. The highest time frame will give us an overview of what price is actually doing. Okay, awesome. Good. So here on the highest time frame, we can see that for a long time now, in the last let me mark out this region so that we can see what I'm saying clearly. So we can see that this region has been, consolidating for a while, from 2012 till 2022. On the higher time frame, we've been on a consolidating market. All right, and on this consolidating market, we see that price keeps going up here, touching the resistance level, coming down, having to create a minor support level, going up, breaking through the minor support level, coming to the major support level here, and then going up again. The support level, here, it seems to be strong, and there seems to be more sell pressure, because when you look at the last few months, okay, this month is the month of August. When you look at the month of July, the month of June, you would discover that the sell pressure is actually present at this level. All right, so let's map out. So here we go, the minor support level. We are able to map out minor support level for persons who might want to easily identify those some persons who might really want to identify those minor levels. You might want to come to the line chart. All right, and from the line chart you are able to see that what's it called, you're able to see clearly the edges that price had created. Okay, you're able to see clearly the edges that price has created. All right, how price has been ranging within this this box. Okay, so now our price has been ranging within this box, yeah, and there you can see this level where we called our minor support tone resistance level. All right, this level is our minor support tone resistance, which is in between the major support and the major resistance level. Okay, good. So you can see that this support level is this support level that was here actually have turned resistance when there was a breakout from that support level. Okay, and we can see price coming to retest this region, and finally there was a breakout to the upside. Okay, to the upside, and now we can see price retracing back. Then the question is, what next? Where next is price going to? All right, so back to the monthly time frame, the candlesticks. So but when you look at this candlestick closely, all right, the presence of the wick that we can see here is not one that we should shy away from, because we can see this wick showing a presence, a sell pressure. All right, good. We can see that there is a sell pressure from here, a sell pressure from here, another sell pressure from here. Okay, now this sell pressure indicates something, that this level, all right, there's a sell pressure at this level. So which means in the month of May there was a sell pressure, June sell pressure, July sell pressure. Okay, now August, price came down here and went up, but we can see now that price, the sell pressure is playing out. Okay, so now this is giving us insight into what market is most likely to do over time. All right, which is important for us to consider. Okay, now let's take this to the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, okay, so now you can see what is playing out on the weekly time frame, right? When you look out for what is playing out on the weekly time frame, you will discover that the weekly time frame is telling us that price had broken through a major resistance level, which we can see here. Price broke through a major resistance level, all right, and then went up to touch this other major support level. Okay, now for price to have gone to touch this major support level, we saw how price reacted at this level. All right, because this level is a major resistance level rather. Okay, now this major resistance level pushed price backward. All right, and we see that price rallied down to the next minor support level. Okay, so we can see that the engagement of demand and supply, all right, the engagement of demand and supply is playing out. So we can see that the engagement of demand and supply is actually playing out here. Okay, now so price had come to touch this minor support level, all right, and now is pushing back. All right, Good. So the question is, what next is price going to do? So when you go down, when you zoom it out, we can see that this major this minor support level is playing a critical role here now. I don't know, let me see if I can make it more obvious. I want to see if I can make it more obvious. Good. This level. Good. I'm able to see. I want it to be more obvious. So this level, right? Okay, is the level I'm referring to as the minor support level, right? Which is playing a major role right now. Okay, good. Now, good. So we can see that it's playing a major role here, and price come here to touch the resistance level, but was rejected. All right, and price was pushed back up. So we saw price being pushed back up. Now the next question is this: what happens next from here will determine our next position. Okay, because if you look closely, you will see that price is still within the height of this red candle. Yeah, so you could see that this green candle here, trying to come up. The only thing that can actually make a convince position to buy or to sell, to buy now, is when price closes above this last 3 weekly time frame. Okay, good. So now the next one is let's go down to the monthly time frame. Okay, let's go down to the daily time frame. So we can see here now that on the daily time frame, a clearer picture of what the market is doing at the present time is actually playing out. Okay, because here we can see what market is doing. Now, so you can see that there are minor support and resistance levels here. So let me draw them. You can identify to see that there is one here. Okay, so this is a support level. So it is a support level because we can see that price is coming down to touch this level and cannot break through it, right? And price bounces back up. Okay, price comes down again to touch this same level, and we can see that price bounces back up. Okay, and price comes here to touch the same level, but price was finally able to break out of that level towards the downside. All right, so we can see this is where the breakout occurs. Let me get this good. This is where the breakout occurred. Yeah, I want you guys to see something. Okay, good. No. Okay, this is where the breakout. This is where the breakout occurred, and then price broke down to touch the next support level. Okay. Okay, so we can see here that now there was a breakout that happened here, yeah, and this breakout now, price went below to test run the next support level. Okay, and price is bouncing back. Now this same level where price had broken through is where price is penetrating through, that we can see here right now. Okay, So a lower time frame. Okay, so guys, are you following now? Um, all right. So from where I stopped, so now I just saw that you said it's not moving. So I hope it's moving now. I'm really very sorry for the inconveniences. All right. So yeah. So as you can see now, we are analyzing the Australian USD. All right. And on the Australian USD, we apply the same approach, the top-down approach. Okay. All right. So now we apply the top-down approach, yeah, and that's where we are starting with the monthly time frame. Okay, and we were able to map out the levels of support and resistance. As you can see here, this is a level of support, and here is a level of resistance. Okay, this is what you need to really observe for those who said they are just joining and they are new. Okay, so this level here is resistance level, this level here is support level. All right. Okay, thank you very much, David. It's moving now. All right, so this level here is resistance level, which is the level via which price had gotten to, all right, and was pushed back. That's resistance level, because resistance means it was resisted. Okay, it was resisted. Good. So for the support level here, we can see that price came down and could not break through and was also pushed up. That's why we call it support level. It's more or less like you are trying to drop a ball, okay, on a flat surface. What happens? The ball stops on that flat surface. It cannot penetrate down. But what if you go up on, let's say, a five-story building, right, and you drop a ball? The ball would keep dropping until it finds a support. A support meaning that a floor where it can land on, or a surface where it can land on, okay, and that surface will stop it from falling further. All right, that is what a support is. This is I'm breaking it down for those who are just joining us for the first time. And for a resist, okay. So guys, can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Good. So now here we are able to map out the major resistance level, another the major support level, and the minor resistance level as well. Okay. Um. So here now, we are looking at price at the what, at the support region. All right. Price is currently at the support region, and once it gets to this support region, we would see price pumping up again, because this support region might push price upper, like sorry, higher. All right, to keep going upward. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. Okay, now to the weekly time frame, we can see what price is doing on the weekly time frame, right? Price is creating, here is a minor resistance level. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. So here is a minor resistance level. Here is a a major support level. This on the weekly time frame, right? So but we can see what price is doing here, because from the what is it called, from the higher time frame, we can see that price is going down. Okay, is going down. So we can see it play out here. This is the weekly time frame. If you look at the monthly time frame, you will see sell pressures. You will see sell pressure